The Cascade Mountain Range is located in the west of the North American continent, occupying parts of British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, and Northern California. The Cascade Mountain Range contains notable cities such as Vancouver, Portland, and Seattle. The Cascades are a series of jagged rocky mountains that contain notable tourist attractions such as Mount Rainier, Crater Lake, and Mount St. Helens. Mount St. Helens is a volcano that famously erupted in the 1980s and claimed the label as the most destructive volcano eruption in American history. Speaking of volcanoes, there are about 20 located in the Cascade Range, and the Cascade Range is also located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Cascade Range occupies an area that stretches 700 miles north to south and 80 miles east to west. The highest peaks are Mount Rainier and Mount Shasta, which are both just above 14,000 feet tall. Most of the range is open to humans and is often accessed by tourists, hikers, and researchers.
The Cascade Mountain Range is located along a convergent plate boundary, specifically a subduction zone, where the Juan de Fuca plate is being forced under the North American continental plate. This process creates volcanic activity responsible for the mountain range formation. Around 10 million years ago, the modern Cascade Mountains became active. This period of mountain building and volcanism is believed to be related to changes in the orientation or water content of the subducting plate.
The English navigators George Vancouver and William R. Barton saw the Cascades in 1792.
The navigators Lewis and Clark on their journey to the northwest in 1806 passed through the Columbia River Gorge, 4,000 feet deep on the Oregon-Washington border.
The future of the Cascade Mountains is unclear. There's a 37% chance of an earthquake magnitude 7 or higher in the next 50 years, which would cause considerable damage to the settlements in the area. Scientists predict because of global warming, temperatures are rising, and this could have an effect on the Cascade Mountains. Summers are expected to be longer, and winters are expected to be shorter. Longer winters means glaciers are melting. This is not good because glaciers represent 80% of the stream's discharge. Longer summers also mean more wildfires. These wildfires are expected to increase in season intensity and length. The snow season is also expected to be cut in half by 2100. All these changes can have an effect on the ecosystem around it. A study has occurred where fish have died in warmer waters. They are believed to have died in these waters compared to colder waters elsewhere.